Hello, Jarrett Lau with Boston HOA Management. Financials of a condo association are extremely important. If you don't know where your money is or how much you have, you won't know how much you can spend and how things are. So reconciliation of accounts is super important. Now, what is reconciliation? So whenever you have an income or an expense, say for example, a check being written down, that's going to show up on your bank statement. Now your bank statement's great, but it doesn't tell you at the end of the day. It sure gives you the bottom line on how much you have in your account, but it doesn't tell you about, well, are there 6 checks that got sent out but never got cleared? So you might, on your bank statement, show that you have $20,000. But what if you wrote $30,000 out of checks and you just say, uh-oh, right? I didn't know that those people haven't cleared it. So what we do is we reconcile those accounts every single month at the end of the month upon the new statement. And what you're going to want to do is make sure that any type of checks get accounted for, any income gets accounted for, and then any type of checks or expenses that are still outstanding, right? Whether it's unit owners or, vendors that you've paid, you have an example and a list of those. So you have a real good understanding of whether you actually have money in your account, and if so, how much you actually have or how much you should be having. And then again, it's really important to know where your financials stay. So you want to make sure that your condo association management company is doing that on a very regular basis, on a monthly basis for all your accounts. Because some of our associations have operating accounts, multiple reserve accounts, right? These are things that each one has to be accounted for, and it should be on your management software so you can look at it in real time 24/7. So if you or anyone else you know is looking for a proactive property manager to make sure that your financials are in order, that you know exactly how much you should have in the bank and anything else that's outstanding, please think of Boston HOA Management. We get more than a property manager, you get peace of mind.